Did you recently get denied and you didn't realize your credit score was that bad? You saw your credit score, you like, man, I need to get my life together. I need to get my credit score together. Hey, don't worry, I got you. We're going to show you a blueprint that's going to help you improve your life and get your credit score back together. So with that being said, you know what time it is. Let's get right into it. What's up, family? So in today's class, I want to talk about a blueprint that will get you back on track. And if you miss one step, it might be the reason why you don't get success, right? It don't matter if you have a 400 credit score, 5, 6, it don't matter what you have, all right? I want to show you a blueprint that can get you back on track to help improve your credit score. It don't matter if you have a collection, charge-off, bankruptcy, eviction, student loan, child support, late payments, it don't matter. Close accounts that hurt. It don't matter. I want to show you a blueprint that can get you back on track. So with that being said, go grab a pen, go get some paper, and you already know you gotta get something to drink. Hey, this is gonna be a good one. So before I get into the step-by-step process and laying out the blueprint, I want to talk to you, all right? Because what's happening is I'm getting new viewers every single day, all right? They want to learn, they want to knock the credit bureaus out, but I also having the day ones knocking the credit bureaus out. And I know it's a lot of information. I'm making content like every single day. We're making videos, and sometimes it can be confusing. So as we're waiting for the lawyer, all right, as we're waiting, it's taking longer than expected, but as we're waiting to create a partnership with the lawyer to help you all, get the best results, I want to know if we created a membership that walk you step by step on telling you what to do, when to do it, how to do it, like do this if this happens or do this if this happens. Would y'all want something like that? Let me know yes in the comments. Just let me know, because I know your time is very valuable, right? And I don't know how long it's going to take to do the process with the lawyers. So I want to give you the best information, and this is the best way I know that can help you and serve you so you can get the best score ever, all right? So you can get the things that you want. So let me know in the comments, yes, you would like to sign up for a membership, or you would like to join a membership, and we'll walk you through the process. All right, let's get into the video and knock the credit bureaus out. So step number one, the first thing we got to do is what? Analyze our credit report, right? Grab your credit report, and what you want to see is what accounts are actually holding you back, all right? So Identity IQ is one of our best trusted person when it comes to credit monitoring. So go get it. The link is in the description. $1 free trial for you all right? But what you want to do is grab your credit report and see the accounts that's actually holding you back, all right? Once you see the accounts that are holding you back, next what you want to do is also clean up your personal information. You want to go create a free account with Experian, and what you want to do is act like you're about to dispute online. When you act like you're about to dispute online, what you're going to see is your different variations of your phone number, different variations of your name, different variations of your last name, different variations of your address. You're going to see so many variations of everything, right? But most importantly, you want to click on every address and see what that address is actually attached to, all right? You want to see if it's attached to those negative accounts, because what you want to do is detach it and remove it. So send out a letter. I have a free letter for personal information. It's going to be in the description as well, so you can go ahead and grab that letter, all right? I want to help you and serve you so you can knock credit bills out, all right? So once you grab your actual letter, send that out, certify to the credit bureaus, all right? Wait some days. Make sure you're certified. Wait some days so they can actually, update your personal information. But in the meantime, as you're doing that, you want to go hush those snitches, all right? We got to hush them up, all right? Now, also with hushing them up, you want to order your reports and see what they're talking about. You want to see what's being reported on you so you can actually clean that up as well. After you hush the snitches, after you order your report, clean up your personal information and analyze, you have to set the credit bureaus up. The reason why you want to set them up is because everything has to be complete and accurate on your credit report. So when you send in the secret letter 2.0, 2.5, if you don't have it, it's going to be in the description. I got you. I got the tools, the resources to help you improve your credit score so you can knock credit bureaus out, all right? So the secret letter 2.5 is telling the credit bureaus to reinvestigate the completeness and accuracy, and if the accounts are not complete and accurate, remove it, all right? And what we want to do is add 2 forms of identification to that specific letter, all right? And wait 30 days. We have to wait 30 days from the time they got it, all right? And give a little bit of time, so about 35 days all together. So as you're waiting these days, you want to be adding positive accounts on your credit report, all right? So some of the best places we talk about, all right, is Boom Pay. The reason why you want to have Boom Pay is because you can add backdated history onto your credit report that will increase your credit score as you're removing these negative items. But most importantly, you can add up to 5 years of a trade line, the open date, onto your credit report. Now you have a 5-year trade line on your credit report, and you get 2 years of payment history added to your credit report if you've been living at that apartment or place for the last 5 years. All right. Also, not only Boom Pay, you want to do Tomo Credit. All right, Tomo Credit is a good charge card because what we want to do is create that discipline to pay people back. All right, we don't want to think we have extra credit than we don't actually have. So what I want you to get is Tomo Credit Card. It can range up to from like I think $100 to about $10,000 in available credit. So Tomo Credit Card is a good revolving account. Boom Pay is a good installment account. And you can also do Cheese to help you save your money, all right? 67% of Americans don't have at least $400 saved up, all right? So what we want to do is not be part of that statistic, and I know you're not, but I'm just giving you a easier way to make these payments automatic, all right? Now, as you're building your credit and you're waiting for the credit bureaus to respond, they're going to respond back to you. All right, if they don't respond back to you, you got to use a specific law, all right? You can use 15 USC 1681. The first one, they have 30 days to respond back to you, all right? And you basically want to create a complaint with the CFPB. I call this the KO method, not the credit bureaus out. But now, if they do respond to you and say everything is verified, what you want to do is ask for the description of how they actually verified your account. Once you ask for the description, they're supposed to provide it to you within 15 days. Everything we do is according to the law. So you want to ask for the description on how they actually verify those accounts. Now, they got 15 days to provide this, all right? If they don't, that's a violation. Also, you can use 15 USC, like once that 15 days elapse, now what you can do is, guess what? Go to the CFPB and file a complaint. Now, sometimes they act crazy, but another way, after you wait the next 30 days after that's 15 days, and they respond back to you, when you send out your next letter, what you want to use is 15 USC 1681 I-5, because guess what? When you looked at and you analyzed your credit report, you saw all the discrepancies on your credit report, you can use that as leverage to get actual accounts removed. So follow those steps, use those steps, improve your credit, right? Follow those steps, use those steps, improve your credit, remove negative items, build up your credibility. And if you need help, if you need assistance, I have tools and resources. The link is going to be in the description for the Secret Letter 2.5, for the personal information letter, and also for the credit monitor that you need to knock credit bureaus out.